Assalamu alaikum. If you're working with N8N Webhook workflows and during the testing you might get this kind of error, authorization data is wrong while making the request from Postman or any other tool. So in this video I'll show you how you can fix this issue. So first thing that need to check is in your workflow, check if you have any kind of authorization added for your API call or the webhook. So here I can see that the authentication is set to basic authentication, and this one I had added. So I'll try to use the same basic authentication on this request. So here I'll go to Postman, go to authorization and select basic auth, and these are the values which I had given while creating that authorization on N8N. So I'll try to make the request. So again I am getting the error. So I know that these credentials are correct, but still I am not getting this correct response. So next thing I need to check is if we have this ignore bots option enabled in our webhook. So this option is to prevent the crawlers from accessing this API endpoint. So what I can do, I can just disable this option, save our workflow and do the testing again. So as you can see, now I can see the correct response. But the thing is that the crawlers will be able to fetch the request. So if I want to ignore those, I can just enable this, but when I enable, I will be not able to again access my API. So for bypassing this, what we can do is go to headers, add a new header called user agent, and here in the value give it a name like Chrome and a slash, and then send the request and the response is returned. So this is how you can get rid of this error from your N8N workflows. Thank you.